Autocompensation can be performed given the appropriate single color controls. To perform autocompensation, select CompLogic from the Advanced Functions pull-up drawer. Then, click on a file in the File Inspector to load all of the files in that experiment folder in the FCS Files window. From the list of loaded FCS files, select the single color controls and click Set FCS. From the parameter list, choose the parameters that you wish to compensate, and then click Set Parameters. The next step is to match each compensation file with the parameter, and you can move the columns to make this comparison easier. If these don't match, click on the control file name and choose a new control from the drop-down list. Once the parameters and control file names have been matched, click Set Gates. FlowLogic will then draw a polygon gate on the forward versus side scatter plot for each sample and create positive and negative histogram markers on the resulting daughter population. Both the polygon gate and the histogram markers are examples of auto gates, with the polygon gate automatically detecting the densest population on the forward versus side scatter plot, and the histogram markers automatically detecting the positive and negative histogram peaks. If required, you can adjust the polygon gate, and as you can see in the File Inspector, the polygon gates have been grouped, so adjusting a polygon gate for one sample will update the polygon gate for all samples. Likewise, the histogram markers can also be adjusted so that they accurately fit the positive and negative populations. Once the setting of the histogram markers is complete, return to the Advanced Functions pull-up drawer and click Compensate. FlowLogic will then run the algorithm to compensate every combination of parameters. And you can see the resulting compensation matrix as it is being calculated in the CompLogic window. FlowLogic then creates clones of each of the polygon-gated populations and displays each fluorochrome against every other fluorochrome. A line is then created on each plot based on the median fluorescence of the positive and negative populations in the spillover channel, with a perfectly horizontal line indicating perfect compensation. If the line is not perfectly horizontal, the compensation can be adjusted manually in the plot side drawer under the Interactive Compensation tab. The median fluorescence values for the positive and negative population for the parameters being displayed are shown in the Interactive Compensation window, and the values for all samples can be reviewed in the Statistics window in the Advanced Functions pull-up drawer. Additional display tools allow you to show the full display for all plots, which will allow you to see all events, including those sitting below zero on the axis, and also to switch between log-scaled and traditional logarithmic scaling of the axes. When reviewing the median fluorescence values in the Statistics window, clicking on a plot in the workspace will highlight the corresponding row in the Statistics window, and vice versa. Once the compensation has been confirmed visually, the new matrix can be saved and applied to files at a later date, or it can be applied directly to all files in a particular experiment folder. Choose to send the matrix, dot plots, and statistics table to a report in DocLogic, and at any stage click Finish to clear the process and start again.